Welcome to your first wager presentation.
Good evening, Africa.
Good evening, Nigeria.
What's going on? I don't think I can continue with this relationship anymore. I'm sorry.
Did you know that 1 in 6 men consider suicide before the age of 30?
Kindly settle down. There is a bucket in the arena. Read out the content on the paper. And the house must guess who the content best describes.
One of my most unique qualities has to be a positive risk taker.
What's it called? We have one contestant. Can we throw more guesses, then we'll put it to a vote?
That I bring joy to the room.
Gigi Jasmine. Wrong.
I have been a roadside seller with my mom.
If you were in charge, what would you have done differently?
I wouldn't have done anything differently. I think Jason did a really good job.
In your first act, you decided to tell a confusing story about mental health. You then proceeded to your second act, which was even more confusing than the first. Housemates.
Yes, big brother.
Were you told to organize a concert?
No, big brother.
Were you told to turn Big Brother's ballroom into a playground for adults?
No, big brother.
All you were told to do was organize a ball. Yet, you couldn't follow such a simple instruction. Housemates.
Yes, big brother.
Your presentation lacked imagination and substance. Therefore, Big Brother's verdict will be as disappointing as your performance. You have lost your wager.